We're gonna be eating sour candy, 2 Minute Mouse, and I'm Taylor. I'm sorry, and you get to see our faces, I guess.
I'm eating red and blue at the same time.
I'm eating red and yellow. That's for you.
Okay, ready? Open your red one.
I'll do it right now. Oh, it's open the other way.
I'm just gonna.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
1,
2,
3.
like that. You can't pour back in. I'm drooling. Ow.
Sorry about your carpet.
What? I'm all sticky.
Okay, well, if you're watching, Happy Easter.
Hang on, don't stop it. Oh, sticky. We both drooled.
Sorry about your carpet.
Sorry for my leg. I just drooled on it. Alright, bye guys. Happy Easter.